Hey there, just doing a little quality of life update for some of Marduk systems. I changed the clutch pedal to something a little more easy, so now when I pull the pedal down, it pulls on the cable a lot easier. There we go. You're probably thinking that the cable doesn't move very far, and you may be right, but I did try it without these bungees on here to help it return it to default position, and it was actually getting stuck in the on position, and Marduk was running off without me, but I did manage to get her back and put these bungees on. So here I am in the cockpit. The pedal is really high and out of the way. That way you can't accidentally make Marduk go. And you lift your foot up, push down, and off she goes. Then when you want to stop, you just release it, and it springs right back up into position. So it is a little bit of a cramped quarters, but you know, at least it actually does something, and I won't have to exert a lot of force trying to get Marduk to move. That way I can then focus on moving the arms around. So I guess that's going to be all for today, so if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.